Family, my name is Albert, and I welcome you all to Codolla, where we code and grow together. If you have always wanted to learn Python but thought it was too hard, or maybe you never knew where to start, don't worry because today that changes. In just a few minutes, I will show you why Python is one of the coolest, easiest, and most powerful programming languages out there. And by the end of this video, you will have written your very first Python program. So grab your laptop or just relax and watch because we are about to have some fun. All right, first things first. What exactly is Python? Now, before you think of the snake, no, we're not talking about that. Python is a programming language that helps us tell computers what to do. Think of it like giving step-by-step instructions to a robot. Let's say you want a robot to make you a sandwich. This is how you go by it. 1. Take the bread. 2. Add butter. 3. Put cheese. 4. Close the sandwich. Boom! You just programmed a sandwich. Computers work the same way. You give them instructions and they follow them step by step. Python is the language we use to talk to computers. So why should you learn Python? First of all, Python is super easy to learn. It's almost like writing English. Secondly, it's super powerful. It's used in AI, web development, automation, data science, and even games. And third, it's highly in demand. Python developers get some of the best salaries in tech. Did you know that Google, Netflix, Instagram, and even NASA uses Python? That's right, this language powers some of the biggest companies in the world. Alright, let's get hands-on. If you have a laptop, grab it. Let's go to python.org and install Python. Click download and download the latest version. After it's downloaded, run the installer and make sure to check the box that says add Python to path. Yes, after this, let's also open Tony. Go to the same browser and type Tony. Choose your operating system, either Windows, Mac, or Linux, and download for your operating system. Now that we are done with all our downloads, let's write our first program. Open Tony. So you can search Tony on the search bar and open it. Okay, let's say hi to the world in Python. Now let's run the code. And boom, you just wrote your first Python program. Print function tells the computer to display something. The open quote, hello, Codolla family, is a string. Now, it's your turn. Try changing Codolla family to your own name and run the code. Drop your name in the comment below and let's see who is coding with us. Great. This was just the beginning. In our next video, we're going to start learning about variables, which is how computers remember things, like your age or favorite color. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and don't forget to join our WhatsApp group. Also, challenge time. In the comments below, tell me why do you want to learn Python? Let's get to know each other. See you in the next video. Keep coding, keep growing.